Hey guys, this is Brandon with WTI, and I'm here to show you this OEM cartridge replacement from Pfister. Right off the bat, you can see how superior this product is compared to the original. But still, I'm going to dig into this, and I'll catch you guys in a second. So I wanted to give you a close-up of the two products. One is the OEM cartridge that was originally installed, and one is the Amazon cartridge that I bought. Right off the bat, you can see a small difference in the end, and this is because there's an extra cap which allows for spacing, which means that you don't have to replace this with the original one. It replaces multiple cartridges. But since my original equipment manufactured cartridge does not have that extra cap, I'm just going to remove this cap, which comes off really simply. And now you can see that it matches almost exactly. Except the Amazon product looks much nicer because it's cleaner. So I sped up a video of me installing the cartridge into the casing, mostly to show how there were no issues installing it, and even the extra hardware I added on top worked smoothly with the process. Once the cartridge was installed, I added the cover and the handle, which fits snug, and just like that, the job was done. So if you're looking for a superior product that'll turn your DIYs into a 1-2-3 project, definitely go with it. You will be satisfied. But that's just my point of view.